So you're looking to buy a new Subaru. Well, before you do, I want to share with you 5 things you should know, and I promise you, these are things you will never guess. If you're new to my channel, my name is Alex. I like to make weekly videos all on Subaru related topics. If you think you might enjoy those kinds of videos, consider following along by clicking the subscribe button down below. Number 1 on today's list is that almost all Subarus come standard with the symmetrical all-wheel drive. Now, why should you know about this? Well, let's talk about something for a moment. You know how if you own a truck, it seems like all of your friends contact you whenever they need to move furniture? Well, with the Subaru, all of your friends will contact you whenever they need to get somewhere in the snow. And that's because Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system handles so well in the snow. And in fact, it handles so well in the snow that you're probably less likely to convince your boss for a snow day if you own a Subaru. So if you like using that as an excuse to get out of work when it snows, a Subaru's probably not for you. Speaking of getting off work, I hope you have some vacation days banked, because if you buy a Subaru, you're gonna have the sudden urge to go on an adventure. I mean, doesn't this Outback Wilderness just scream adventure? Whether you go with the standard Subaru SUV that has the 8.7 inches of ground clearance, or you go with something like the Wilderness that has, the Outback Wilderness has 9.5 inches of ground clearance, these cars are incredibly capable. They've got the luggage racks on top, the roof rails on top for luggage. They have the cargo space for your luggage, your children, your pets. And matched with that all-wheel drive system, these have that sort of go anywhere capability. And with that, you're gonna wanna take it on some vacations. Not to mention, they're really comfortable on long road trips. And I have put almost 50,000 miles on my Subaru in the last 3 years as a testament. Actually, when we got our Subaru Outback at the end of 2022, 2-3 days later, we were in the mountains of Tennessee, and we didn't just stay in town. We actually went to a cabin that our previous vehicle would not have been able to make it to on a long, steep gravel driveway. So it's something that you're gonna have the ability to go do some of those things, and with the Subaru, you're gonna have that urge to wanna take it on trips. And if you really wanna get adventurous, some of these are even capable of holding rooftop tents up on top. So you can go car camping with these, not just inside the car, but you can get a tent to go on top of your Subaru. The third thing you should know before buying a Subaru is about Subaru's safety. Now, many people know that Subarus are ranked one of the safest vehicles today, but there are a few things you should know about this safety system, and something that I think overall is a positive thing, but some people might find annoying. Your Subaru is basically like your annoying friend that's always reminding you to be safe. As an example, one of the common things, if you are in gear and you're just simply cruising through a parking lot and you don't have your seatbelt on, you're going to hear a beep. Now, if you keep going, you will suddenly hear a louder beep until you stop and put your seatbelt on. So obviously, wearing your seatbelt is incredibly important. I would never recommend not wearing your seatbelt, and it's something you should be doing anyways. But your Subaru has a good, very annoying alarm system to make sure that you don't forget to put your seatbelt on before you put the car in gear. Combined with that, Subaru also has other alert systems that help you stay focused, pay attention while driving, and hopefully avoid an accident. As an example, for many years now, you've seen these eyesight cameras in the top portion of the windshield on Subarus. Those essentially act like a second set of eyes to alert you whenever there is potentially an obstacle out ahead. So it'll beep if you're getting close to a car out ahead. If you're not applying your brakes soon enough, it can apply the brakes for you. It also has something called lane keep assist. So if you are getting too close to the edge of the road or getting outside of your lane, it can beep at you. Now, some of these systems you can turn on and off, but they are all designed there to keep you safe and provide better driving. Some Subarus even have an alert system on the dash that can detect distracted or drowsy driving. So if you are falling asleep at the wheel or looking away from the front of the vehicle too long, the car will beep, give you a notification and basically tell you to pay attention. Now, while some of this can be seen as annoying, it's all designed there to keep us safe and provide better driving. The fourth thing you should know is about longevity. So you've probably heard the stat from Subaru that 96% of Subarus sold within the last 10 years are still on the road today. Now, that's good. You know, you want a car that's going to last a while, but if you like getting a new car every few years, talking about reliability and longevity and using that as an excuse for getting a new Subaru may not be the best one anymore. So you're going to have to be a little bit more creative and find other reasons to convince your spouse or even yourself why you can justify getting a new Subaru. Because chances are, if you take care of your car is going to take care of you. It's going to last a very long time. I've talked about how great Subaru is for years. After all, I have a Subaru Outback myself and have enjoyed my ownership experience, and I've loved my ownership experience to the extent that I've been very passionate about making videos here on YouTube for the last 5 or so years, as well as telling all my friends and family about how great the car is and why they should get one. On top of that, Subaru is more than just a car. The brand itself, the initiatives they have that go towards social causes, environmental causes, Subaru loves pets, all the different campaigns throughout the year, both nationally and with local initiatives. It makes you feel good about buying from a brand that A, creates an excellent product, but B, also does things that are socially responsible and you can really get behind and feel good about. And that brings me to my fifth and final point. If you buy a Subaru, you probably will be that annoying friend that talks about how much you love your Subaru. And to that I say the only solution is to simply convert them to a Subaru owner. So if you do that, that should solve all of your problems. And if you need help convincing them, have them give me a call at Bachman Subaru. We have over 130 new Subarus in stock right now with a ton of Subaru Outbacks, or at least way more than we have had in recent months, and a ton of Subaru Crosstreks. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. This is kind of meant to be more fun and playful, just talking about some of the positive things that Subaru has offered, things that I've talked about in previous videos, but add a little spin on it. So if you found this entertaining, please remember to click the like button. As always, if you have questions, leave comments down below. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.